Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online with this new app. It is fast and it has multiple payment methods such as PAYEER, PayPal, AirTM, and more. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can set it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. You can see all of the various options accessible to you right here. You can be paid using PayPal, PAYEER, AirTM, or any other method you like. Select the PayPal option if you desire to be paid by PayPal and collect the funds. You can cash out and spend the money on whatever you choose once you have $5 in your PayPal account. If you don't want to use PayPal or if PayPal isn't available in your country, you can use PAYEER, AirTM, or any other payment option. So before we begin, let me show you some proof that this method works. As you can see, all of these people are already generating money with this website, and they're getting paid almost every couple of minutes. And they're from all over the world, so this is obviously a service that pays well and works well. So allow me to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before you even go to the app, go to Google and hunt for different articles and blog posts that you think people might be interested in reading. Don't worry, you won't need your own website. To make videos, you don't need any social media accounts or a YouTube channel. I'd like you to search up whatever you think people might be interested in reading on Google. Perhaps some well-known stories with unexpected facts or anything else you believe will pique people's curiosity. I'm going to look up 10 intriguing facts about water, for example. I'm not only curious about one item. As you can see, I'm not looking for something specialized like gold sports or something that would just appeal to a certain demographic, but rather something that millions of people would be interested in knowing about. So for example, 100 wonderful water facts you should know about, or anything else you think will appeal to a wide audience. You might also choose engaging stories or quirky and strange facts about stuff that a large number of people would be interested in. A film about a Hollywood celebrity, an actor, or a YouTube sensation would be the subject. I simply want you to find articles that you believe would be of interest to a significant number of people. So once you've located it, right-click it and copy the link. So once you've got the article's URL, all you have to do for step 1 is go to Google and hunt for an article or blog post that you think would be of interest to a significant number of people, then copy the link. For the second part, I'd like you to use this software called exe.io. This app is now available for use on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. To make things easier for you to grasp, I'm utilizing my desktop PC. This is from exe.io, a website where you may earn money by abbreviating stocks. It allows you to share long URLs or links with friends, relatives, and others by shortening them. You'll be paid every time someone clicks on the shortened link, so there's no need for them to register. They are not required to spend any money or purchase anything. They only have to click once and you'll get compensated. That's fantastic! It's a lot easier to persuade someone to click on a link than it is to get them to sign up for something or purchase something. As you can see, there are simply 3 simple stages to follow. First, create an account, which I'll show you how to do for free. Second, I'll walk you through the process of shortening your links. Third, while studying how it works, you will earn money. Now we're using this app since it has the greatest rates, which means you'll get the most money for your clicks. You'll also get detailed information on who's clicking on your links, as well as a referral program. So if you'd like to share this with your friends and family, or if you know someone who might be interested in making money with exe.io, simply share your referral link and you'll get 15% of their lifetime earnings, which means you can earn passive income for the rest of your life simply by referring someone. And if that person makes $1,000, you'll make $150 without lifting a finger. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Now I'd like you to go to exe.io and sign up for an account using the sign up button right here, which you can do by generating a unique username. The next step is to enter your real email address, create a password, double-check it, and agree to their terms of service and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on it. After that, simply click register to create your exe.io account. When you create a new account there, it will look like this. As you can see, here is the dashboard where you can keep track of your views, earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM or cost per 1,000 clicks from your link. Your profits per click will fluctuate based on where the clicks comes from, so they may be smaller or higher. You will surely make more money if it originates from a top-tier country. When someone clicks on your shortened link from a developing nation, they will be taken to an ad landing page where they will be shown advertising that they can skip. And once they skip those ads, they will be redirected to the URL that you meant them to go. So exe.io is simply splitting ad revenue with you, which is why they have the CPM. Why this works and why they're paying you for those clicks. So if you ask me if this is a fantastic system, I'll answer affirmatively. Yes, because the person who clicks is not required to pay anything and can simply ignore the advertisements. exe.io is profitable, and you might be able to benefit from it as well. So once you've started making money and have $3 in your account, you can go to withdrawals and select your chosen payment option right here. I'm going to use PayPal in this situation. If you submit your PayPal email address, you can cash out and spend the money on whatever you like. But first, you'll need to start collecting those clicks. I like you to click on build a link right here so you can shorten that interesting Google article. You want to shorten the link to the article or blog post that you think a lot of people will read. That is why I advised you to find content that will appeal to a wide range of people. You can receive the shortened exe.io link by pasting the link into the box and clicking create. You can copy the link and earn money whenever someone clicks on it. All you need now is for people to click on this link, and you'll need to identify those who are interested in reading that article in order for this to work. So even if you have no social media following and are a complete beginner, I'll show you 2 other traffic sources that you can employ to create those clicks automatically and hands-free. Hercules.com is where the initial traffic came from. This is again over at Hercules.com, which is a platform that allows you to advertise any link you want to every day for free, giving you an entire email list and allowing you to send one email with one click to thousands of different people every day for free, with a good chance that many of them will click on your link. Each time someone's click on your link, you will get rewarded. The second traffic source you can use isn't free, but it will help you produce a lot more traffic. This is already Shoutcart.com. And if you sign up for free, you'll be able to search through all of the different influencers on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, who will be able to advertise your shortened link to hundreds of thousands of people for a very low cost. For instance, you can see that I simply chose Instagram and that I may promote for $10 to reach 500,000 people out of a total of 500,000. If my link receives at least 5,000 clicks and I earn $10 per 1,000 clicks, I'll make $50. So with little effort on my part, I've just made a $40 profit because all you have to do is pay $10. If you provide them your link, they will promote it. It's possible to make a snowball effect using this. So if you just have $10 to invest, put it into one shoutout, And if you start generating money in the $50, $60 range, put some of that money back into more shoutouts. As you make more, you'll get more shoutouts and from bigger pages. You're creating a snowball effect once more, and you may buy those shoutouts and get those clicks automatically every day. You can reach millions of people and get hundreds of thousands of clicks on your shortened links using Shoutcart.com. Simply make sure the article and blog posts you find on Google are interesting and engaging so that many people will click on them. So every time someone clicks, you earn money, making this a fairly fantastic and interesting method to earn some extra cash online. So sign up on Hercules for free, get some clicks, earn some cash, and then start reinvesting in Shoutcart to try to build a business. It's a terrific one, and it's easy to do because all you need is your phone. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online with this new app. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.